Welcome back to our channel. This is Chef Anandapav. Today we are going to see Indian style egg noodles. This recipe is very simple. There is no ajinomoto, so it's good for your kids. I'm gonna cook for 2 people. Let's see the ingredients. Noodles, egg, onion, green bell pepper, carrot, cabbage, green chilies, salt, sugar, black pepper powder, chili powder, masala powder and some of oil. In this recipe you no need vinegar and soy sauce. Slice the vegetables, keep on the side. Make some hot water for boil the noodles. Once the water is boiled, drop the noodles and leave it for 2-3 minutes. You have to add some of oil, otherwise your noodles will be sticky. When it's ready, drain the water. Add the cold water and make the noodles cold and keep on the side. Add some oil on the frying pan and drop the eggs. More eggs, more tasty. That's a secret. Cook the egg well and add some green chilies and saute. After that add some onions. Now green bell pepper, as known as capsicum, and some of carrot also. Once the vegetable cooks, add some cabbage on it and mix together and cook it well. Now we are going to add noodles. Make sure the fire is in simmer because we are going to add all the masalas. It will take few minutes. Start with salt and some sugar. Sprinkle the black peppercorn powder. If these noodles for the kids, make sure the black pepper and chili powder is very less. Add chili powder and some of masala powder also. Mix it well and cook nicely. Make sure the salt and spice is okay. The noodles is ready. Look-wise is perfect. The structure and color is okay. It's ready to serve and enjoy with your loved ones. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. This is Ananda Pavu. See you soon with new recipe.